It's unfortunate to say, but a majority of the people that I speak to on the crisis line, they refuse to connect with a therapist, or if they have a therapist, they refuse to speak to their therapist about their suicidal ideations, which to me is like, that's exactly who you should speak to. But here are some of the top reasons why they refuse to speak to therapists. Number one, they feel like the therapist doesn't really listen to them, like the therapist doesn't really let them talk. As soon as the therapist gets wind that they have suicidal ideations, the therapist then goes to number two, they rush to report or they rush to hospitalize. And this really, really like turns people in crisis off from even opening up in the first place because they fear that they're seeking help, but they fear that they're just going to be hospitalized. And then number three, the people in crisis basically feel like the therapists are not necessarily helpful in helping them unpack the what is beneath the surface of the ideations in the first place, and so they refuse.